Hi there, today we are going to give a Python skill assessment in LinkedIn just to show you the process. Let's see how it goes. So let's start the practice. Click on next. Okay, the first question we have is printing the list, so we know this is the answer. Check answer, it's a correct one. Each question will have 1 minute 30 second time, so it's pretty basic questions comparing. Okay, let's click the next. So what is the correct syntax for creating a variable that is bound to a list? So we are looking for a list means big bracket, the third one I guess, the 2 apple 3.5. so I think the third one is the answer. Let's click on third one, check the answer. Oh great, correct. Alright, finish the practice and let's start the quiz. Alright, so the next one is, what is the correct syntax for defining init method that takes no parameter? So we are looking for the init method, which is def, I guess, def init, I guess, self. I'm not sure. Let's do a Google search. Init method with no parameter Python. Okay, let's see where it goes. Okay. Okay, def init or self parameters without parameter. I think, yep, this is the one, self without no parameter. Okay. So def init self, yeah, this is the one. We have 34 seconds. Let's click to next. Alright, what is the correct syntax for creating a variable that is bound to set? So we are looking for set means curly bracket, my set, yeah, this is the one, pretty similar to the list but with the curly bracket, so that represents the set. Okay, I think that's the answer. Is there anything to say? No, there's no one. Let's next. If we do the explicit return a value for a function, what happens? So if we do not return any value, so I think function will give you none. Yeah. Not a value, no. Will return none. If the return key is absent, the function will return true. No, not this. The function will entire loop because it, no. I think second is the answer. Next. Okay, which command will create a list from 10 to 1? Example. Okay, this should be a simple one. So reverse, no, list range 10 to 1. No, I think it will give to 10 to 8. This one, I think this is it, because it will give 1 to 10 and reverse to 10 to 1. Okay, let's see. List, let's do reversed and then range from 1 to 11. Okay, let's run it. Yep, 10 to 1. Yep, that's the answer. Okay, let's go for the third one. Third one is the answer. 43 minutes left. Second. Next. Okay, what is the correct syntax for creating a variable that is bound to a dictionary? When we are looking for dictionary, it's a curly bracket again, key value pair. I think the last one is the answer because it looks right. Other than that, I don't think, not this one, not this one, no, to dictionary, no. I think the last one is the answer, so I'm gonna go for the last one. Alright, next question. Let's click on the next. What is the difference between a class attribute and instant attribute? So class attribute are shared by all instance of the class. Instance attribute may be unique to just that instance. Maybe There's no difference with class attribute belongs just to the class, not to the instance of that class, and instance attribute are shared among all instance of class. I think this is the one. I think instance attribute can be changed for class attribute. Nah, I think third one is the answer we're looking for, because not instance of the class. Instance attribute are shared among all instance of the class. Yep. Let's double check it. Okay, class was a variable defined directly in the class that are shared by all the objects of the class. Instance attribute are attribute or properties attached to an instant of a class. So I think that's the answer. We have only 20 seconds left, so let's go for third one. Yeah, next. Yeah, I think that's the one. Next. Alright, what is the syntax for defining an init method that sets instant specific attribute upon creation of a new class instance? Okay. So when it says sets instant specific attribute. Okay, let's do a Google here. Okay, let's see this one. Okay. In itself, this is so there is a self.x and another object itself. Okay, I think that sets instance specific attribute upon creation of a new class instance. Is this one? No, I don't think so. Not this one. It says set instant specific attribute. So not this one. We are running out of time. It said self.x, so there should be a self. Yeah, I think that's the one. Okay. How do you access and store all the keys in the dictionary at once? So there is a function called keys, I guess. Yep. That's it. Because like all keys now, two keys now, and keys without parentheses no. So I think the third one is the answer. I'm gonna go for the third one. Okay, next. Alright, what built-in Python data type is best suited for implementing a queue? So queue means I think list, because list is the ordered one. Dictionary and set they are not in order, I guess. So I'm gonna go for the list one. Yeah. Alright, let's go to the next question. What is the output of this code? Remove 2 from the list. I think removing 2 will be this one, because remove doesn't remove from the let's check. On this one. Okay, because like removes 2 from the list, so this answer. Next. Alright, what is the correct syntax for adding a key called variety to the fruit info dictionary that has a value of the red delicious? So we are looking for fruit info dictionary with key is variety for fruit info dictionary, and then we are assigning red delicious value to that variety key. So not this one, because this is comparing the two expression, so this is not the answer. So this one, no. Yeah, definitely the second one. Okay, let's go to the next question. So what is the primary difference between list and tuple? So list, we know that the list is mutable and tuple is immutable. So what do you have here? You can access a specific element in the list by indexing its position, but you cannot access a element tuple. No, lists are mutable, meaning you can change the data. Tuples are immutable, meaning you cannot change the data that is inside them once you have created the tuple. I think this is the one. Yeah, let's see the another. Lists are immutable. No, not this one. Lists are immutable. No. Okay, not this one. List cannot the same data inside. No, I think the second one, because like, okay, let's do a Google search. Okay, what do you have here? The difference between list and tuple. Let's see this one. Okay, list is tuple is types, but they are immutable in nature. In other words, object. I think that's the one. And all right, we're running out of time, so let's click next. All right, what is lambda function? So lambda function, any function that makes use of scientific method constant. It's true somehow. A small anonymous function that can take any number of the argument but has only one expression to evaluate. I think this is the one. Any function who defines the content with the 5 lines of the code. No, a function that gets executed with the decorators are used. I think this is the one, because like lambda function is like, it takes number of arguments and it has a small expression that can like continue last time. Okay, next. Okay, this is the single last question. Which model is not a valid way to access a file from a Python script? Is a read, write, append mode and scan mode. Do we have a scan mode in Python? I don't know. Let's do a Google search first. All right. Okay. Which is the read, write or append mode? Okay, there's read, write, append mode. Let's see what is inside. Oh, this is the question. Oh no, they blocked it. My ad blocker. Okay, let's try to sneak one more time. Okay. Read, write. Okay, read, write, append mode. Okay. I don't think. Okay, let's do this. Let's see another one. Read, write, open a file for access creation. If the file already exists, to open and it fails. This is not the scan. So I don't know. 21 seconds left. What do you do? Let's see 4 more rows. So what does it say? Read, write, append. No scan mode, so I think this scan. Alright, next. What will happen if you see a while loop and you forget to include logic that eventually causes the while loop to stop? Okay, so while loop, it goes infinite. Get a error now. You will get error now. Not this one. Your code will get stuck in infinite loop. I think this is the one. You will get a while loop. Nothing will happen a computer when you stop running the code in while. No. Your code will. It will go to the infinite loop, right? I think that's the one. Okay, let's view the result. Oh, great! So finally we did it. Okay, you are in the top 5% of 3.0 million people who took this great work. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. That was the video, so you can learn like how to give the skill assessment. So bye bye.